In the heart of Standerton, where ambition meets opportunity, a new chapter is being written. The official opening of the 4IR laboratory is marked by a moment of national significance, graced by Deputy President Paul Mashatile alongside the Minister of Higher Education Bhuti Manamela and Ms. Thabile Makgala, Sasol's Executive Vice President for Corporate Affairs. As they walked through the facility, the atmosphere was not only one of progress, but of curiosity and excitement. In a light-hearted moment, the Deputy President playfully engaged with the electronic digital board. His interaction expressing the simple joy of discovery, reminding us that even in a world of advanced technology, learning can spark the same wonder as a child's first encounter with something new. Sasol is doing more than investing in infrastructure. It is igniting possibility. Doors are opening for a new generation of thinkers, creators, and problem solvers. Equipped to shape the future, this is more than a facility. It is a symbol of progress, a beacon of opportunity, and a bold testament to Sasol's role in building a skilled, empowered, and future-ready South Africa.
It really is a privilege to stand in front of you today and open, this center, the Fourth Industrial Revolution Laboratory here at the college. It really is a milestone that we want to share with everyone and really acknowledge the support that Sasol has, invested here as well. And today, really, we're not handing a facility. I think it's important to acknowledge that we are investing in possibility. We are enabling innovation. We want our students to know that we are actively shaping their future. And equally important, it's important that we develop our students, but we also need to develop our educators. And that's what we are also doing. As the Sasol Foundation, we are already upskilling over 800 TVET lecturers in digital, as well as technical competencies, because the two go hand in hand. Because when you do empower the educators, you're multiplying the impact. And when educators are equipped, students are also equipped. And also what I want to also highlight is that really today we want to transform the way the system is seen and prepare our young people for the future. And as the African proverb says, if you want to walk fast, you need to walk alone. But if you want to go further, you go together. And that's the importance of the partnerships, and we invite the partners, stakeholders in government to join us going forward.
I think what is important for us as the Sasol Foundation is playing an active role in social impact, economic development, knowing that as an organization we are here for business, but at the same time our business is also about how do we impact the community around us. So having these interventions is critical for us to ensure that we have that kind of impact and we contribute to the country.
And I think for us particularly, a program like what we do within the TVET space or in technical education has become a core niche space for us, because when we really started to relook at our strategy, while technical education had always been a focus for us, we realized that as corporate South Africa, not many companies were investing directly into the TVETs, directly into the technical college learners. And therefore it created an opportunity for us as Sasol to turn the tide in terms of the types of skills that we want. And therefore by enabling programs like this to happen, we're really staying true to our Vision 2030 strategy as the Sasol Foundation to enable the future of human capital development for our particular sector, which is oil, energy, as well as mining. And therefore, our investment into technical education becomes a critical core enabler of ensuring that as an organization, when we need these skills, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, we actually have the types of skills that we need, and we have work-ready artisans ready to enter the Sasol workplace.
We're showing also the commitment of the private sector, both what FESTO and Sasol have done, having invested millions of rands, not just here, but they've also been our support in a whole range of programs that we will see. So what does this mean? It means that we're scaling up in terms of the training of our artisans. Those will be getting the red seal. It means we also are scaling up in terms of apprenticeships. It also means that these should not just be used for artisans and apprentices, but also for short skills, partnership with our community colleges, targeting young people who are not in employment, education, and training.
To the students here today, you are not just preparing for the future, you are being called upon to shape it. And you must take that with both hands. We have to shape this future. Let this land be a sign of South Africa's readiness, a sign where we will tell the world that we are ready for transformation. To more of such transformative and futuristic initiatives.